This is our Samsung robot, and we've had it a little bit over 3 years. It's worked very well. We've had some repairs to it, which I didn't like. I thought they were kind of unnecessary. These brushes got hard and broke off. And okay, I mean, if they had worn out, I would understand that, but they didn't. They just broke off right here. Had the battery changed. Okay, the battery, that's not uncommon, right? But the last thing it did was it started banging into stuff at random. It didn't do it every time. It seemed to bang into dark surfaces more often than light. And so what I suspected was it was an issue with the sensors. And when I took it down and had it evaluated, they said it needed a new sensor board, which is over $100, like $120. So let's see if I can save you some money. I'll explain what I think happened and how you might avoid that cost if you own one of these or something similar. This is the sensor board they replaced, and I'll see if I can do a close-up on it and show you a little bit better about what I'm thinking really happened. This thing is covered with infrared diodes and infrared sensors. I mean, all the way around here like this, and back on this side, and even some on the bottom, and some on the top. Now, I've read a lot of astronomy articles, and if you do that consistently, you see one thing that they constantly mention, that infrared light is scattered by dust. So I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can get a really good close-up on this. You can see the dust in there? Every one of these is covered in dust. You can see it on that one. Some of these I've already rubbed it off, but like this one, every one of these sensors is covered in dust. And my guess is that depending on how much dust, this one's pretty obvious right there. Rub some of it out there, see the difference? Every one of these is dusty. So yeah, dust is getting into the vacuum cleaner and not blinding these sensors. It is making the sensors less efficient, less sensitive, until it starts banging into stuff. My guess is, had I just taken this thing out and cleaned it, of course that would void the warranty, but if I had just taken it out and cleaned it, you can definitely see the dust on the board here. That it probably would have gone back to working just fine. So before you spend the $120, if you're willing to take the risk on the warranty, you might just try taking this thing out and cleaning every last one of these sensors, blowing the board off, that type of thing, before you give up and take it in to have it repaired. Okay, well, that was it for today. I hope you find that useful and interesting in your home DIY projects.